Let's be real, most cars won't make it past 100,000 miles without a headache, but according to Consumer Reports 2025, there's a group of sedans that completely defy the odds. These aren't just reliable, they're practically indestructible, and many have already crossed 300,000 miles with barely a repair in sight. They don't get hyped up, they don't break the bank, but they've quietly earned top marks from mechanics, drivers, and long-term ownership data. And some of the names on this list, you'd never expect them to be here. So if you're looking for a sedan that delivers peace of mind, low maintenance costs, and serious long-term value, this list is everything you need to see before you buy. Let's dive into the 8 bulletproof sedans you'll never regret buying, based on Consumer Reports data. Starting with the Honda Accord, the midsize king that just won't quit. You've probably heard the Honda Accord is reliable, but what most people don't realize is just how far that reputation goes. This isn't just a solid car, it's the top-ranked mid-size sedan on RepairPal, beating out 25 other competitors with a 4.7 out of 5 reliability score. And it's not just one version that shines. Whether it's the turbocharged 1.5-liter, the more powerful 2.0-liter, or the hybrid model, they've all proven themselves over the long haul. Drivers consistently report minimal issues, and when something does go wrong, it's rarely expensive. On average, Accord owners spend around $500 a year on maintenance, which is far below the class average. And that low cost of ownership, it pairs perfectly with strong resale value, because people trust this car to last. Sure, earlier models had their quirks. Oil consumption in VCM-equipped engines and a few transmission complaints in CVT trims showed up, but Honda didn't ignore them. Recalls were issued, fixes were made, and by now, most of those early problems are well under control. And here's the part that really stands out. Nearly 35% of all Accords on the road reach 300,000 miles or more. That kind of consistency across generations is rare. It's not flashy, but if you're looking for a mid-size sedan that quietly delivers year after year, the Accord should be high on your list. But what if you could get luxury-level comfort without the luxury-level headaches? Let's talk about a premium sedan that's built to last, the Acura TLX, luxury that doesn't break down. Luxury sedans aren't usually known for long-term dependability. High repair bills, overloaded tech, and premature wear tend to come with the territory, but the Acura TLX is a major exception. It's one of the few premium sedans that combines upscale comfort with the kind of reliability you usually only see in economy cars. Built by Honda's luxury division, the TLX shares a lot under the skin with the Honda Accord, one of the most trusted sedans on the road. That means parts are easy to find, labor costs stay low, and mechanics know how to work on them. According to RepairPal, it scores a 4 out of 5 for reliability, and most owners report spending less than $500 a year on maintenance. That's dramatically lower than most of its German competitors. Both the 2.4-liter inline-4 and the 3.5-liter V6 engines are known for their durability. They're naturally aspirated, not turbocharged, and built for smooth performance over the long haul. Even past 100,000 miles, owners say the drivetrain still feels tight and responsive. The TLX also avoids the trap of stuffing in unnecessary tech. The interface is clean, the features are practical, and the electronics are far more stable than what you'll find in other luxury brands. That means fewer headaches as the car ages and more confidence every time you drive it. If you want something with premium looks and performance, but without the premium problems, the Acura TLX is one of the best-kept secrets in the luxury sedan world. Now let's switch gears to a compact that proves simplicity might just be the secret to long-term reliability. The Mazda III. Simple engineering, serious staying power. The Mazda III doesn't scream for attention, but maybe that's exactly why it's so good. It's been quietly racking up top reliability scores since 2014, year after year. And while other brands chase flashy features and complex tech, Mazda took a smarter route: keep it simple and build it right. Under the hood, no turbo, no CVT, just naturally aspirated Skyactiv G engines, either a 2.0-liter or 2.5-liter, engineered entirely in-house. That means fewer moving parts, fewer things to go wrong, and fewer surprise repairs. But Mazda didn't stop there. The 3 is designed with something they call a fail-slow philosophy. If something's about to go wrong, the car usually gives you plenty of warning, long before you're stuck on the side of the road. That kind of smart design is rare in this price range. And speaking of price, it feels way more expensive than it is. The interior punches well above its class, with solid materials, tight build quality, and a driving experience that feels refined, especially for a car under $30,000. Are there some downsides? Sure, the backseat's a bit tight, and road noise is noticeable on the highway, but ask the people who own one, and here's what you'll hear. They'd buy it again. In fact, nearly 9 out of 10 owners say exactly that. If you want a sedan that looks sharp, drives smooth, and keeps repair shops at a distance, the Mazda 3 is one of the smartest choices out there. Of course, no list of reliable sedans would be complete without the car that's practically become a household name for dependability, the Toyota Camry, the safe bet that still leads the pack. You can't talk about reliable sedans without mentioning the Toyota Camry. It's not just a safe choice, it's the industry benchmark. Year after year, the Camry lands near the top of every major reliability ranking, and for good reason. According to RepairPal, it scores a 4.3 out of 5, with an average annual repair cost of just $421. That's not just lower than the competition, it's hundreds less than most mid-size sedans. But the real story is in the numbers. Studies show that nearly 1 in 3 Camrys will break the 300,000-mile mark, and they do it without drama. No major breakdowns, no constant warning lights, just consistent, dependable performance. The current generation sticks to what works. A solid 2.5-liter engine, an 8-speed automatic, and a reputation that makes it one of the easiest cars to sell later on. Owners report very few serious issues, and even the 2023 model was ranked one of Consumer Reports' top 10 most reliable vehicles. Yes, earlier versions had their quirks, oil consumption in older engines, and a few transmission hiccups, but Toyota addressed those problems directly, and today's Camry is the definition of consistency. If you want a car that just works, no hassle, no surprises, the Camry is still one of the most dependable sedans money can buy. But what if you want something just as reliable, only smaller, sportier, and trusted by generations of drivers? The Honda Civic, the mechanic's favorite compact. When it comes to compact cars, the Honda Civic has been the gold standard for decades. It's not just popular, it's trusted. And that trust is backed by numbers. According to multiple studies, more than 2.5% of Civics on the road have passed the 300,000-mile mark, with nothing more than routine maintenance. That kind of longevity isn't luck, it's smart engineering. The Civic's design is simple and efficient, which means repairs are both rare and easy when they do come up. Independent mechanics love working on them, and owners love not having to. There were some growing pains when Honda introduced its 1.5-liter turbo engine, especially in early models. Oil dilution was a known issue, but by 2019, Honda rolled out software updates and extended warranties that addressed the problem, and reliability bounced right back. Resale value is another area where the Civic shines. Because it's known to last, used models hold their value better than most of the competition. It's also one of the few compacts that consistently earns top marks for reliability, safety, and overall owner satisfaction in Consumer Reports rankings. It's not the flashiest car on the road, but if you care about reliability, fuel efficiency, and low cost of ownership, the Civic is still one of the smartest buys in the compact sedan world. Year after year, mile after mile. Now let's take a look at a full-size sedan that might not turn heads, but might just outlast every car in your neighborhood. The Chevrolet Impala, the full-size tank that outsurvives them all. The Chevrolet Impala might not have the flash of a luxury sedan or the popularity of a compact, but when it comes to long-term durability, it's a quiet legend. For years, it's been the go-to choice for fleets, law enforcement, and high-mileage drivers, all for the same reason. It just keeps going. At the heart of the Impala's reputation is its 3.6-liter V6 engine. It's not turbocharged, it's not over-engineered, it's just solid, proven, and built to last. Many owners report crossing the 200,000-mile mark with nothing more than regular oil changes and basic maintenance. And in terms of dependability, that kind of consistency is hard to beat. According to Consumer Reports 2025, the last generation of the Impala continues to score well above average in long-term long-term reliability, especially for model years between 2014 and 2019. That includes high marks in powertrain performance, suspension durability, and even interior hardware, areas where full-size sedans often struggle as they age. It's also surprisingly comfortable. With a roomy cabin and smooth ride, the Impala excels on long drives and highway commutes. And even though it's been discontinued, the used market still holds strong resale value because buyers know what they're getting. It's not sporty, it's not high-tech, but if you want a dependable full-size sedan that shrugs off mileage and keeps maintenance costs low, the Impala is one of the smartest used car buys out there. And speaking of durability, the next sedan was built with rugged conditions in mind, and it shows. The Subaru Legacy, built for bad weather, and the long haul. The Subaru Legacy is one of those rare sedans that blends everyday comfort with serious capability, and it's quietly built a reputation for going the distance. If you live somewhere with real winters, this car is more than just reliable. It's a lifesaver. Every Legacy comes with standard all-wheel drive, something you won't find on most rivals. That means better traction, better control, and a safer driving experience in rain, snow, or ice. Pair that with Subaru's time-tested 2.5-liter boxer engine and a reliable CVT transmission, and you've got a powertrain that's built for endurance. According to Consumer Reports 2025, Subaru is once again ranked among the top 3 most reliable brands, and the Legacy continues to lead its class in owner satisfaction. Real-world drivers report well over 300,000 miles on original engines and transmissions, especially when properly maintained. One standout feature is the EyeSight safety system, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and emergency braking. Unlike similar systems in other sedans, EyeSight has a reputation for being smooth, accurate, and, most importantly, glitch-free. It may not be the most stylish option on the market, but the Legacy is a quiet powerhouse. With low maintenance costs, strong resale value, and the kind of durability that shines in tough conditions, this is a sedan that's ready for the long haul, no matter what the weather throws at it. But what if you want world-class reliability wrapped in compact form and backed by decades of global trust? Let's talk about a true icon, the Toyota Corolla, the global legend of reliability. The Toyota Corolla isn't just popular, it's a global icon when it comes to reliability. For decades, it's been the go-to sedan for drivers who want something that just works. And according to Consumer Reports 2025, the Corolla once again earns near-perfect scores in both reliability and owner satisfaction. The magic lies in its simplicity. The 1.8-liter 2ZR engine has a reputation for being nearly indestructible, with countless owners reporting well over 200,000 miles of trouble-free driving. Toyota paired it with a continuously variable transmission that, while once doubted, has proven to be surprisingly durable in real-world use. What makes the Corolla even more appealing is how little it costs to maintain. On average, owners spend less than $370 per year on upkeep, making it one of the most affordable sedans to own long-term. And thanks to Toyota's conservative design philosophy, fewer parts break down over time, which means fewer trips to the shop. Even the Corolla Hybrid shares drivetrain DNA with the legendary Prius, offering excellent fuel economy along with the same bulletproof reliability. It's an ideal choice for anyone who wants maximum efficiency without sacrificing peace of mind. It may not be flashy or thrilling to drive, but the Corolla has earned its reputation honestly. For millions of people around the world, it's the car that just keeps going, and that's exactly why it's still one of the smartest buys in the sedan market today. So, what did we learn? Reliability doesn't have to mean boring. It means peace of mind. It means fewer surprise repairs, lower maintenance costs, and a car that shows up for you, mile after mile. And now it's your turn. What's the most reliable car you've ever owned? Drop it in the comments. Let's compare notes. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can keep driving smarter and never waste money on the wrong car again.